Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are taking a quick look at this BackRack and tonneau cover combination that we've installed on this Ford F-150. BackRack has been a well-known player in the headache rack game for a long time and offers many different styles for different use cases and aesthetic preferences. The model featured in this video is the SRX style rack. To make this combination possible, a tonneau cover mounting kit is required, which is essentially a spacer kit with longer hardware that mounts into the stake pockets on the F-150 to ensure no interference with the cover. The cover that is being used for this setup is the best-selling BakFlip MX4, a high-quality trifold cover that is easy to use and secure and really complements any pickup truck it's installed on. Thanks for checking out our video on this BackRack and tonneau cover combination. If you have any questions on this setup, feel free to leave us a comment below or reach out to us directly using the contact info at the end of this video.